Hey, it's your boy Crypto Expat. I'm back with another video. In this video, I want to go through a beginner's guide to using Uniswap. So if you're a complete beginner, this is a video you want to watch. Now, before I go there, I'm going to just draw the winner of our Tron giveaway. So feel free to skip this section. Okay, I did a video on this video here, giveaway 100 Tron. So let's just go quickly pick the winner. So get YouTube comments. Okay. Anarchy now. Congratulations. I will send you 100 Tron. And also thanks everyone else for commenting for the 100 Tron giveaways. Okay. Uniswap. It's a decentralized exchange that allows you to buy ERC20 tokens, and you don't need any identification or KYC. You just need to open a MetaMask account, and there's plenty of tutorials on that. Once you have your MetaMask account and you have some Ethereum in your MetaMask, then you simply just click on here to launch the app. Click connect and MetaMask, and then just log into your MetaMask with your password and you're good to go. Now that you've got your MetaMask, you're connected up, you want to be buying some tokens. So I'm assuming you want to buy some tokens. These will be ERC20 tokens, and the first thing you need to do is to, up the top up here, it'll probably be default by Ethereum. Okay, you're probably using Ethereum, or you could be using stable coins, but let's just say you're using Ethereum. And then here down the bottom it says from and then to. This will be the token that you're going to be buying. Alright, now let's say that you want to buy a particular token. However, you don't know, you can't see it listed here, you type it in here and it's not showing up. The best way to do it is to just go to, if it's listed on CoinGecko, then find it on CoinGecko, and then I want to find the ticker, and let's say, for example, we're doing Cell Network. Okay, so I click on that, Celsius Network, and let's just say that you're Uniswap, and there's you can't find, there's a couple of them in there. Let's just say that there's Cell 1, Cell 2, Cell 3, Cell 4, whatever, right? And you're not sure which one it is. So what you do is you just come to CoinGecko, you find the token here, and then you just click on this contract address here. Okay, so contract, click on that, and now you know for sure, and you paste it in here. Okay, you know for sure that this is the right token. It's not a scam token or anything, it's the right token. Now you want to buy it. Okay, so all you need to do is you just need to put the value in here, or you can put the value of Ethereum, or you can put the number of tokens in here. Okay, it's going to match it accordingly. So for example, if you say you want to buy, say 10 Cell, what it'll do is it'll automatically input the price of the going price right now in Uniswap. So for 10 Cell, it's going to cost you 0.0425694. Okay. So just say you're happy with that price, and let's just say, for example, one here, just for example. Okay, say that you're happy for this price and you're ready to go and purchase it. So first of all, you'll see this slippage here. Okay, slippage, and basically what slippage means is it's if you click on this, you can adjust it, and all it means is that the price now till when the price is settled, and it can fluctuate depending on the gas. Because the more gas you pay, the higher the fee that you pay, the faster it will go through. However, if you choose a lower amount of gas fee, that transaction could take 5, 10, or 15 minutes, and within that time, the price could fluctuate from what it's giving you now to when the price is settled. That's why they have the slippage. So what the slippage means is what you're willing to allow the amount that you're willing to allow for it to settle on that price, for it to buy the tokens. Okay, so the bigger the slippage, the more that you're going to lose, that you're willing to give up. So if you put 5%, so for example, let's say something costs $100 and you put 5% slippage, you're willing to buy that at 95 cents because you allow 5% slippage. However, it doesn't always go to 5%. You might be buying it at 98.5%, but it's just the maximum that you allow. And that's what slippage means, from the price it is now to when it's settled. So the larger the slippage, the likely that you're willing to lose a little bit less to get the sale or to get the actual tokens to make the transaction go through. Okay, so I always keep this at about 2%. If you do fast transactions, and you could probably do it at 0.5. It all depends on the gas and what you're prepared to pay. So that's how slippage works. So now that I've got this, I want to swap, I'll click on swap. All right, this is going to show me the price. This is going to show me the fee, and just a little bits of information so you know what's happening here. And then you click confirm swap. Now this is the price, the gas fee. Okay, so the gas fee is $1.58, and this is really important because this is the price that you're going to pay. You can click edit, and when you click edit, this is what I'm talking about with the slow, average, and fast. And you need to decide what you're willing to pay, and the faster the transaction, the more that you're going to pay. However, you could probably have less slippage if you want, if it's a faster transaction. So it'll give you a default by average, and you can decide what you want to pay. Now another thing too is you can find out the gas price. So you can get this plugin. It's called Ethereum gas price, and the gas price is basically what you're willing to pay, and it's got slow, standard, fast, rapid. Okay, so right now 16 is very low. Sometimes this can be up to as high as 50 to 100 to 200. Okay, it just depends on how much congested is the network. Okay, so I would always recommend that you do this when this is all at the lowest. Okay, it's going to save you some money. So always check the gas price. Then if you're happy with that, then you just click confirm, and what this will do is it'll push this transaction through, and you're going to pay $1.58. Okay, and this is going to come through your Ethereum. So when you, it's going to be taken out of your Ethereum amount. Okay, so whatever you're purchasing, you have to make sure you have enough gas fee when you purchase. Here is not so much Uniswap, but it's another feature within MetaMask. Okay, so this feature here, it basically allows you to just do the transactions within MetaMask, so that you don't have to use Uniswap. If you don't have to, it's up to you. But basically, it's just doing what you would do. See how it's got Ethereum, and then you just find the token, whatever token that you want to buy, and it's basically just doing exactly what you're doing in Uniswap, but it does it within this Web3 wallet application. This is just a new feature. It just, they're just basically capturing the market with this feature. However, you might want to try it, and it just saves you just going to Uniswap if you don't want to go to Uniswap. Okay, so that's how you swap tokens. Pretty self-explanatory. Just use the drop downs, find the token, put the contract address in, pay the fee, you're good to go. Now, there's also pools. Okay, so this is liquidity pools, and liquidity pools just basically means you're providing liquidity. So you can read more about pools on this documents here. I'll put the link below, but basically it's just the pools will give you, if you add liquidity here, the most common pools are the pools that, for example, here, you know, whatever pool that you want to go into, you can, and this is how the actual Uniswap automated market maker works. It needs pools to work, and by providing liquidity, you get the rewards, you get the percentage of the fees. That's all pool is, so you can earn passive income that way. That people go in and out all the time. Okay, so Ether to DAI, Ether USDC, Ether USDT, and Ether wrap BTC. And you can see here, this is the total deposit, 371 million. These are the rewards, and with this Uniswap liquidity mining pool, if you provide liquidity, they just give you like basically the Uniswap token reward, okay, every week. And so it's a way for you to earn passive income, and they reward you in the Uniswap. It's not a lot, but you're basically getting about, give or take, about $2 for every $1,000 that you provide liquidity. So it could be, 500 Ether, 500 DAI, you're going to make about $2 a week, $2 to $3 a week. It's not a lot, but still passive income, okay? You've got to be careful that if there's big price fluctuations, you could lose some value within the coin through impermanent loss, okay, if there's fluctuations. But so this is another way to earn. All you would do is just go, it's 50-50 Ether, so you'd go 1 ETH, and it'd be 1 DAI, and then you just click add. So obviously you'd need DAI in your wallet, you need Ether in your wallet, and then you just add liquidity, and then you'll start earning rewards. Alright guys, so that's just the basic overview. Pretty much, you don't really need to know anything much more on just the basics, what I just talked about there. And it'll get you up and running with Uniswap pretty fairly fast, and you can about do most of the transactions moving forward of just buying tokens and swapping and getting those tokens into your MetaMask wallet. If there's any questions, don't forget to comment below. If I've missed anything, I better make another video for you guys. But I just wanted to keep it simple for this particular video. Don't forget to leave a comment below and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.